Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready, a form and a tab control. First, name the tab control and add a tab page in Code or Designer so you can reference it. Drag your input controls into that first page and set anchors so resizing works. Once done, write minimal code, tab control 1, tab pages, add, settings, or access existing pages with tab control 1. Tab pages 0. Make sure events like click or selected index changed are wired now so you can test immediate interaction. Next, handle multiple pages and dynamic content. Add or remove pages at runtime with tab control 1. Tab pages, add or remove at index. Once you expect many controls, you suspend layout before creating and resume layout after adding them to avoid flicker. For performance, defer heavy loading. In selected index changed, check if the page is initialized, then populate controls. Make sure to set parent for controls you create and assign proper dock or anchor so layout behaves across resolutions and DPI settings. Finally, finalize behavior and guard against common issues. Persist tab control 1. Selected index to user settings and restore it in form. Load so users return to the same page. Ensure keyboard navigation works by setting tab stop for child controls and handling accept button appropriately. If you create pages dynamically, always check index bounds and nulls before accessing tab pages to avoid exceptions. One tip: if you see controls not showing, call resume layout and refresh on the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.